Imagine a bird that plays a crucial role in the desert ecosystem by pooping on large cacti. Mockingbird, also known as the cactus killer. Its poop contains valuable seeds. These seeds, when they land on a cactus, sprout tentacles with suction cups, sticking to the cactus until nightfall. When darkness falls, the cactus breathes, opening its pores. This is when the tentacles sneak in, consuming the cactus from the inside out. After a year of this hidden feast, they burst out as stunning flowers. Other birds then come in to pollinate them and fruits develop. Mockingbirds consume these fruits. And so, the cycle begins anew as the mockingbird spreads its seeds by pooping on another cactus.